many rides? One ride, right? I noticed some gaps in each grade level, and I inquired with Mr. Watson about how to, what can we do? And he says, why don't you come do the acceleration program? I said, that'd be awesome. I spent a lot of time teaching what does active learning look like. And so one of the things is leaning in, simple things that kids sit back, they're not engaged. Now they have to be engaged with the lesson. They can't stop. And then it allows me to go from group to group to see what kind of things I need to reteach or how do I challenge them.
The kids who are here are getting a little bit of a boost. Like in third grade, the kids only work on basic multiplication facts. We're stepping into finding remainders. That's what we were doing in our classroom today. And so they're getting a little extra hands-on activities that when they go into fourth grade and they're starting to talk about remainders in there, they'll already have a little bit of background.
Ms. Keefe is a good teacher. She's nice, kind. If I need help, she helped me some stuff. And she'll put it down so I could do it easier. And she make it easy for me to answer the question.
The way this is kind of structured with the nice intramurals at the end, it does allow kids to have a little bit of a camp feel. So I've been very fortunate. They keep coming back, I'm like, what's going on, but they want to be here and it's very exciting for me. And doesn't feel like school. You get to know the kids on a different level.
So we're talking about perseverance, we're talking about growth mindset, and how just because something's hard now doesn't mean it's going to be. Just looking at what the kids needed to be successful the following year.